So today guys, you guys are in my vlog. I'm not really sad. AKA, sabi mo natin. So, we're narrator A, this kitty. So I have 3 stickers. We have a heart. We have a heart and we have a flower. And then we're gonna go to read the cat since I'm kind of buying some more. So we're gonna make a spotted kitty. So yes, we're gonna need some spots on this tab. Okay, so we're gonna first need some blankets. We used the Ray for that one, and we're gonna retrieve it. So we're gonna need some. We still in that. I just want us to trace the outlines of it. So, yeah. We figured out our ears. That's why it's looking like this. Done. So next is we need to dye our spotted ones. So this cat is going to be probably a real cute. I will say it's what I will say. Okay guys, so we need yellow. So I have 2 types of yellow. I got the lighter one and the darker one is like doesn't work. Here it is. Just chose the opposite side. It doesn't work anymore. That's why I'm just showing the opposite sides. So there we go. And now we just load. We just need to do the ears after. That's nice, guys. After we just need some ears.
Wala na bang dishwash?
So guys, I need this guys solid color. Okay, we will have to cut this out. I know it doesn't look perfect as much as it. This one?
Nalagdag pang paper ka dun.
I know. It keeps flogging, does it?
Careful ka dun.
No, may.
Ayun o. Uwa mo? Ay, ano pa yan? Blackboard.
Exactly.
May mo pa ng dishwash. Kailangan ba ito? Hindi.
Hindi. So we're just going to need to outline it again until we get the perfect shade. There we go. I don't know how it's fitting to you guys, but just gonna do that for the face. And just I mean, she has a perfect face. Okay, so the next thing that we always do after this is we get our tape and we cut her out. I'm gonna save that. Why is there sleep cooler here? Oh my god, there has to sleep cooler. It's kind of sad that we don't have to do that. But that's the whole thing why we're always here. I'm really going to one out there. So guys, kung di nyo alam yung nagsasabi niyo, ay patuloy yung magsasabi niya. May double-sided toes. Pwede rin pati tayo guys, since it was like a horde team that was like this. Sticky, as I put it in my video, since this sounds a little bit sticky, but yeah, that's not the whole point. At least I got tape it if you guys can't see it. But no. Ito na ba ninyo? Ayan na. Ayan siya. Ganyan kami naglagay. Tapos, beside natin. So, I kind of wanted to do 3 more. But we're gonna create more of these like tomorrow. But today we have to create a different theme for our wall. So, if you guys want something that's to create, please make it pretty easy and just text me in the comment section. So, time for us to make like, should we make it a fish? I feel like a fish would be good. Okay, we should do a fish. Okay. I don't know. Should we do a fish? Okay, let's see. I don't know if I'm gonna like my fish. This is like a cute little one. Okay, this will have some ties. Ay, panic. Another fish jar. Good. Should I make like a ball or those are the ones there? But then we got yeah, this one kind of cute if I make a ball. Oh no, our ass was gonna be cute. Great. Done. Ass will tayo na yan. Perfect ako dyan guys. Tayo guys, perfect ba tayo minsan sa mga aso? So, para sa atin, perfect ako sa mga aso drawings. Yan, perfect ako dyan. Laging perfect ako dyan. Kasi dapat lalim. Perfect. At palalim na yan. So actually for this one, we're gonna put some paws. Unlike these ones, there's 0 paws. Okay, guys. 0 paws. Unlike this. And comparing guys, I'm pretty sure comparing them. Talagang hihirapan pa guys. So, yeah. Yan. Ayan siya. Yan, wait. Yan, wala siyang paws. Wala tong tititang paws, unlike siya niya. Kaya, maganda din siya. Animal siya. Kaya, trade na ulit tayo. Trade na ulit tayo ng ibang mga animals. Check tayo sa mga animals na dadawa natin. Kasi, po, yung mga animals na dadawa natin ay cute siya. And, yeah, cute na talaga siya. Ang cute talaga niya. If I love saying if ano guys, happy abo na yan kasi forever now happy. Kaya gusto niya mag-film every single day. Huwag ninyo pansinin or anytime. Wala. I'm still not Kuloyes. And I'm kind of hoping to still Kuloyes since, yeah. I just love Kuloyes. Pag love ko magtuloy guys, hindi nyo alam. Tuloy lahat kahit ano. Kahit ano hindi sasabihin. Ayaw talaga magpatuloy. Yung aso natin. Lahi na talaga yung tulad mo kasi hindi niya talaga yung tulad ng isang aso. Level up din siya. Okay, we're not doing at behind.
Bumagsak lang ah. Huwag mong diinan. Huwag mong hawakan yun. Ano ba?
I wanna make. Oh my god, I'm really loving how cute you can just keep watching my reiteration and like different types of balls. So isip na naman. Ayan guys. Kung gusto nyo guys, mag-rate tayo sa atin. Like, today's, sabihin niyo sa atin. Kung gusto niyo, ano man na animals next gusto niyo. Kaya tayo mabahala. Ako na minili. So, yeah. Yan. So, bye guys! If you like this channel and if you subscribe, I will see you in the next video. Bye bye!